Hey everybody, we're here today in beautiful Charleston, South Carolina. Now we've been doing some videos on the 2008 Bertram 510 that I'm standing on right now. That's for sale. But one thing I do want to point out to you is the engine compartment and the actual two V12 man motors up under this boat that put out plenty of power to get out on the sea and have a great time doing it. So let's go ahead and go up under the boat, look at the engines. They only have around 570 hours on them, which is extremely low for being a 2008 model. So let's go ahead, walk right under and take a look. All right everybody, let's take a look at these beautiful motors under the Bertram 510. For the most part, I just want to get on camera the motors, let you see them, see how clean everything is under here. Again, like I mentioned earlier, only 570 hours roughly on this boat, which is really low for a 2008. Like we said, V12, so you're going to see 6 over here and then 6 on the opposite side. Probably, I'm about 6'1", and headroom under here is probably, I mean, I definitely got to duck down. Someone that's right around 5'3" or something probably be perfect. Plenty of lighting though, as you can see. So once you cut that on, you can see really well back here. Really clean. Your big turbos, oil filter.